is the day we've participated in the Kabaka's birthday run. 7 days to the actual Kabaka's birthday. We express our appreciation to all the people who have brought the kits. We appreciate the partners and all the people of Buganda and our friends who have joined us to celebrate the Kabaka's birthday, but also to work together to banish HIV/AIDS out of our country. We appreciate the unity exhibited by the people of Buganda and our friends celebrating the Kabaka's 70th birthday. And if we work together, a lot can be achieved, especially in the area of health, particularly the objective of banishing HIV out of Uganda. So I thank everyone who has run. I thank the media houses. I thank everyone who has directly or indirectly contributed to the success of the Kabaka's birthday run 2025. God bless you all.